Hello friends, in this video we will talk about a very special topic, angel numbers. In this video I will tell you what is angel numbers, what are the various types of angel numbers, and I will also share with you some other angel numbers, and I will also tell you the various significations of angel numbers. That is, I will tell you that what is the importance or what are the significations that angel number carry. So our first point is, what is angel number? See, angel number is an important concept of numerology, and specifically it is a part of Pythagorean numerology. Pythagoras and his contemporaries were quite active in the field of numerology, and they also did a lot of work in the field of numerology, and angel numbers is believed to be their contribution to numerology. See, what angel number means that numbers which have a repetition of digit 1, like 11, 111, or 1111, double one, double three, and 4 times 1. See, 1 is the most significant number in numerology. The number 1 is ruled by planet Sun, and Sun is the king among all the planets in numerology, in astrology also. So, the number 1 in numerology is connected to good fortune, it is connected to bright intellect, it is connected to power. Sun is the brightest planet in astrology, and it brightens up the intellect of the person. It makes a person fortunate, it makes a person brave. So naturally, numbers having repetition of digit 1 are also considered very auspicious, very powerful. So you may have this repetition of digit 1 in your cell phone numbers. Some people have repetition of 1 in their email ID, in their s- social security number, or in their roll numbers, or they may have some symbol, some poster, some picture, or some t-shirt or anything which has repetition of digit 1 printed on it. So this repetition of digit 1 is considered as very auspicious. It is considered a blessing, which is our third point. See, many people believe that that the angel number are a blessing from your guardian angel. It is also considered a blessing from God, and this number is considered as very auspicious, a significance, a significator of a blessing. And there are also other angel numbers like double two or double three, and these double two or double three, these come under the Chaldean numerology. Chaldeans were the ancient Babylonians, and when Alexander attacked Babylonia, this knowledge of Chaldean numerology got transferred to Greece. So in Chaldean numerology, number double two and double three are also considered as angel numbers or very auspicious numbers. Now we will discuss about what is the importance of angel number. Like in this part we will discuss, like if you have, let's say, double one in your mobile number, or triple one, or you may have double one or triple one printed on your t-shirts, or you may have a poster, or your car number car number plate number may carry double one or double three. So what is the importance of this angel number? So our first point is, it is a positive vibration. As I told earlier, that number 1 is very auspicious. So when you have repeated digit 1 in any number, it increases the positivity of that number. There is an increase in the positive vibration. The energy that number 1 carries gets amplified because of the repetition. That's why it is considered a positive vibration. Like if you have an phone number which has repetition of digit 1, then it signifies that that number is a very positive number. It carries a very positive vibrations. It will bring positivity in your life. Like you may have a very good t-shirt having uh, 111 printed on it, then it is a sign of positivity. It carries positivity in it. And this like in numerology, we always, the underlying principle is that each number carries a vibration with it, each number carries a power within it. And when there is a repetition of that digit, the power gets amplified. So that's why we have this number 1, the repetition of number 1 as angel number, not of like repetition of number 4 or 8 or 9. Why? Because 1 is the most positive digit in numerology. And the second is the strength. See, the angel numbers carries an strength. As I told earlier, that they are a blessing. They are a blessing from your guardian angel. They are a blessing from God. That's why this number carries an immense strength, immense power in it to bring changes in your life. This signifies that there is an additional factor of strength to to the thing to which these angel numbers are connected. Like there is the additional factor of the spiritual strength. Like your if your mobile number, let's say, has 11 or 111, then as per numerology, that phone number has strength in it. It carries a blessing in it. That's why it is a very strength, and it also transfer that strength to you. Okay, now we have our third point, awakening. This number 111 is connected to the guardian angel, and so connected to the spiritual realm. It is a it is a significator of spiritual quest. So people who have angel numbers in their, let's say, mobile number, roll number, there is something of an they always want to experience an spiritual awakening, or they are looking for an spiritual awakening. They are very much interested in the spiritual or the metaphysical side of the world. And the fourth point is new beginning. See, angel number signifies new beginning. Like you go to a college and your roll number, let's say, has 11 or 111, so it signifies a new beginning, a new positive beginning in your life. So it is a positive start, a good start, a positive, you may get a very positive new start in your life. Like you may be not so well before, but when this angel number comes into your life, there may be some positive events, a positive beginning in your life. So generally this number, this angel number is also connected with new beginnings. Like you may have your, you may buy a car and get a number plate which has 111 or 11, then it is a very positive new beginning. It is a significator of blessing, that whatever that object is, it is blessed, and it will bring a positive change in your life. It will bring a new beginning in your life. Now our fifth point is taking charge. See, number 1 is the significator of leadership. As I told earlier, that Sun is the king among all the planets. So this number 1 has the energy of Sun. That's why it is the significator of leadership. Sun is the king among the planets, it is the leader. That's why this number 1 is the significator of taking charge, of leading from the front. And no other number like double two or double three or double five in the Pythagorean system is considered as a angel number, but number one is because of that positivity, of that brightness, of that intellect, of that and because of the warmth that sun brings in this number. The power of sun gets amplified in this number, that these people, they have this natural leadership qualities. People who have angel numbers or who are connected to angel numbers, they are natural leaders, they have leadership qualities, they love to lead. Now, one concept is that this angel numbers are, they although a very good sign of positivity, they are a sign of blessing, but they do not signify success. They are an additional factor in making you successful, but they themselves do not signify that you will get what you want. Like you are going in an examination, and your roll number, let's say, has triple one triple uh, or double one, triple one, four times one. So it definitely it signifies that there is an additional spiritual factor, there is a blessing, that you have a source of strength, you are a positive, you have a sign of positivity, but it does not mean that you will be ultimately successful. You have to add your own efforts, but there is an additional strength from your guardian angel that is protecting you, that is helping you. But ultimately the things depend on you. Although they carry a very significant strength in them, they carry spiritual power, and they are in very much a very good additional source of strength for you, but you have to put your efforts to be successful. And angel numbers can be found everywhere. You can have them in your phone numbers, in your car number plate number, house number, or any other number, or you may have them, or you may see them printed on walls, on t-shirts, on accessories like hats, belt, or anything. So these numbers, they are important. They definitely signify that there is an additional power which is supporting you, which is helping you to achieve your goals, to fulfill your desires. But ultimately it is you who has to decide, who has to work, and who has to decide whether you accept that help and move forward, or deny that help. So in this field of numerology, the angel numbers are significant. They are very much, they are very much a sign of positivity. They tell that whether this person has some positive vibrations connected with him, or negative vibrations connected with them. Like, if let's say someone has some issue of negativity, they may think very negative, so some numerologist recommend them wear a pendant having triple one printed on it, or buy a t-shirt having triple one printed on it, or paste a poster having triple one printed on it in your room. Meditate on it. Meditation is another field in numerology. Like, you may meditate on triple one. So when you meditate on the number triple one, its energy gradually gets radiated in your consciousness. Gradually you will feel its power by meditation. So this number one is also a number like double one, triple one, or four times one. These are also some objects of meditation. So this brings us to the end of our video. So in this video we told you about what is angel numbers, angel number 11111144. I told you about them, and I also told you about the importance or the significations. And do like this video and mention in the comments if you have angel numbers in your mobile number, or your roll number or anything, and the various and your experience with that angel number. So thank you.